Whoa! Look at all these gumballs!
Cookie Monster, do you want to play with these gumballs?
Yeah.
How about we play and learn at the same time?
Cookie Monster love learning.
Alright, great! Cookie, can you tell me what color these gumballs are?
Pink.
Good job, Cookie Monster! Let's put these pink gumballs in the gumball machine.
Yeah. Whoa, that was cool.
Should we do another color?
Yeah.
What color are these gumballs, Cookie?
White.
Good job, Cookie! Let's put them in the gumball machine.
Cookie won't do it.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on to it. Two more. Good job.
Thank you.
Let's do some more.
Yeah.
Alright, Cookie. What color is this?
Purple.
Good job. These are purple gumballs. You want to put them in the gumball machine?
Yeah.
Alright, let's unscrew it. Do you know what color these gumballs are?
Blue.
That's right.
Guess what?
What?
Blue is Cookie Monster's favorite color.
Is that because you're blue?
Yeah.
That makes sense. Alright, let's put these in the gumball machine.
Yeah.
Good job, Cookie! Cookie? What color are these gumballs?
Green.
That's right, they're green. Green like Oscar the Grouch.
Yeah. He nice guy.
Let's put these in the gumball machine. Alright, Cookie. What color gumballs are these?
Yellow.
That's right, they're yellow. Only two colors left, Cookie Monster. What color are these gumballs?
Orange.
That's right, these are orange gumballs. Alright, Cookie, our last color. What color are these?
Red.
Good job. Look, Cookie, we made a rainbow.
Yay! Me love rainbows. Guess what?
What, Cookie?
Me hungry.
You want some gumballs?
Yeah.
Alright, Cookie. Here are your 10 gumballs.
Gumballs.
Here you go.
Now me want to blow a bubble.
You're gonna blow a bubble? Alright.
Here I go.
Not too big, Cookie Monster.
Me make it bigger. Bigger.
It's gonna pop, Cookie Monster. Oh no, Cookie Monster.
Oopsie.
Let's learn colors with candy.
White, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, dark blue, brown, pink, peach, rainbow, red, white, light blue, black, blue, pink, orange, yellow, green, dark yellow,